Mu kugenda ku bikujjuko bya Ateker Pulezidenti Museveni aberekeddwa ku mukyala we First Lady Janet Museveni. Ebikujjuko bibadde Siroti nga bibeera buli mwaka nga omulundi guno byakumulinnako ssatu wansi w'omulamwa okujaguza obuwangwa obufaanagana akabonero akoleka emirembe obugagga n'okusitula ennono.
Banajoma Ateker Diteso kuma motyetuwai
Malia, our governments in the DRC.
Abyetabyeeko amawanga ag'enjawulo okuli Nyangatomo okuva mu Ethiopia, Topotha Bali ne Tolite okuva South Sudan, Iteso Abakalamoja Abajije Dodothi okuma Mulangi n'abako okuva mu Uganda, Masayo okuva Tanzania Batulukana n'Amasayo okuva Kenya. President Museveni kwogera ku kakatiza obukulu bw'okwegatta mu byobufuzi n'ebyenfuna Ssemazinga Africa waba wakulaakulana.
You belong to this tribe, that tribe, but Uganda is very important for your prosperity. Kenya is very important for your prosperity. Tanzania is very important for your prosperity. Ethiopia. So if you think your tribe is more important than Ethiopia, you are an enemy of your tribe.
Okusira ku President eggwanga lya America ligagalwa kwegatta okusinga Latin America olw'okuba nti buli ggwanga lyasalawo okwetengerera.
In terms of natural resources like water, forests, minerals, agriculture, etc., Latin America could be much richer than the USA. However, on TV, you can see how miserable those people working in thousands on foot or hanging dangerously atop of crowded trains or even petrol wagons of trains trying to go to what they think is heaven, the United States.
Atetezi enkolagana yatekera omuliro okusitula obutebenkevu obwasirugana n'okugaggawala.
The community needs to undergo metamorphosis from a non-money traditional way of life to a money economy and democracy to ensure that people hold the leaders accountable and they are elected by them. Therefore, what the Ateker people are doing here today is a step in the right direction.
Omumyuka wa President Jessica Lupo ategeeza nti ebikujjuko bino kabonero obumu okwenyumiriza buwangwa n'okugabana amagezi.
This festival serves as a vibrant testament of the reunion of the communities after decades of over 136 years of separation. Ateker people share linguistic and cultural ties, and the purpose of this festival is to celebrate and strengthen the bonds that tie us together as Africans.
Y'omuyima wa Ateker mu Africa era nga erisa minisita wa Ethiopia Haile Mariam yeebaza President Museveni olw'obukulembeze bwe n'okulaba ng'omukolo guno guba buli mwaka.
This festival is not just a celebration of our past, but it is also an opportunity to look towards the future. Let us use this occasion first to strengthen the bonds within the wider Ateker family, and let us foster understanding and cooperation amongst all our clans.
Ate emuli papa Paulo Sand emuloti kulabo abogera Ateker yeebaza President olw'obuyambi bw'azaabawa.
We'd like to appreciate to Your Excellency for the efforts you have made to bring security, peace in Teso sub-region, Karamoja, and beyond.